It's been a while, and I'm still here, still loving Young Living, mostly ordering staples every month, but I have the new NingXia Red Make a Shift Reset Kit that I wanted to show you this month. So the reason I bought it is because it's the cheapest way to buy NingXia Red. So if you love the packets, which are great for traveling, or in the summer I like to freeze them so you get kind of a NingXia slushy, then this is definitely the cheapest way to get your NingXia Red. If you haven't tried it, that's what the point of this kit is. It's for you to do a 14-day reset, which is drinking a little more NingXia Red the first few days and then back down to our 2 to 3 ounces a day, I believe. It tells you exactly what to do, instructions up here, some QR codes, and it labels the days with a little encouragement. So if you're interested in starting new healthy habits, or you're just are thinking maybe I should start taking a multivitamin, this would be a great place to start because it fills in a lot of those nutritional gaps and has just such a wide range of benefits from this super high antioxidant superfood juice. So it's actually a puree, it's not a full juice, but it tastes delicious. So just wanted to remind you, a couple years ago, Young Living did a clinical trial on NingXia Red and found that it increases physical energy levels by 35% and reduced physical limitations by 36%. It improved sleep patterns and increased sleep time by an average of 21 minutes. It reduced daily stress by 23% and improved mental well-being, supported healthy inflammation response, and supported healthy respiratory function. So that was with 60 days of drinking 2 ounces a day. So this kit, you can do it that way, or you can do the recommended sort of loading dose at the beginning to experience the full effect of NingXia Red. There are Facebook groups, and Young Living, if you buy this kit, will send you, I think, a couple emails too with some encouragement and ideas. The Facebook groups routinely do the reset all together if you're looking for kind of some motivation and accountability to do it with other people. That's a great way to do it. So this kit, again, is just such a great deal, so I wanted to show it to you. So another thing that you may remember is the NingXia Nitro, which it comes in these little tubes. Don't freeze these, but this is another tasty way to just get some cognitive and brain energy and physical energy. So what's in that is all kinds of stuff. So it includes a wide range of cognitive enhancers like the essential oils, black pepper, nutmeg, vanilla, chocolate, yerba mate, spearmint, and peppermint essential oils. It also includes bioenergy ribose, which improves physical performance and speeds up recovery and increases overall energy reserves. It also includes other B vitamins. It has some natural caffeine from green tea extract. It has choline, which is great for the nervous system. Korean ginseng, just great things to help keep the mind sharp. So you could use this as an afternoon pick-me-up. You could use it in the morning, you could use it as needed or every day. Totally up to you. So it's also got a wide range of like berry and fruit juices, including cherry, kiwi, blueberry, bilberry, blackcurrant, raspberry, cranberry, strawberry, and wolfberry to give it its great flavor. Again, 100% of your B12, little iodine, because it does have a little bit of caffeine. Be wary of that if you are really sensitive to caffeine. So. But again, NingXia Nitro, we love our NingXia Nitro. Another thing that I really love is the multigreen. So that is another one that I take every day. It's another staple in my supplement list. And it is great because it combines bee pollen with a lot of nutritious superfood greens like barley grass, spirulina, arrowroot, choline, alfalfa, kelp, and other essential oils including melissa, which really help it to be very bioavailable. So this is a great one to take alongside other supplements because, again, it's a whole food supplement with all those greens in there, and so it will help your other supplements to be more absorbed, more bioavailable and absorbable to your body as well. So let's see. Longevity is another great one. This comes as an essential oil blend, or you can get it already made into capsules for you if you want to take it that way. Longevity is a very powerful antioxidant support, so it's very high on the ORAC scale. With all these oils combined together, it's 1,500,000 units, which is greater than any essential oil by itself or any other food, which just helps to protect the body against oxidative stress and just all of the accelerated aging that we have from day-to-day oxidative damage. So just a great kind of fight the aging process supplement there. Free this month, I believe, were all of these actually. So we have Progessence Plus, which if you know anything about hormones, or even if you don't, progesterone is one that men and women both have and declines drastically with age. So even if you're not at the point where your progesterone levels have tanked, we get so much extra estrogen in our environment from plastics, from just all the fake chemicals, and plus fat makes estrogen. So the more we weigh, the more fat or the more estrogen our body's making. So it's very easy to get your hormones out of balance, and progesterone is that protective, happy hormone that is really good to have to balance out the damaging effects of too much estrogen. So this is a wild yam extract. It's going to be a very mild form of progesterone, so you can use it by the drop. There are other sources, of course, if you need something stronger than this, but this is great for a lot of people, or for those who are not terribly out of balance but just needing a little extra progesterone. So wonderful, wonderful product. Just so many benefits to progesterone in all ages of life. Puberty on up, of course, but if you don't know about Progessence Plus, all women should be using that or some form of progesterone, I think, at this point. Another one, patchouli. Patchouli is great for skincare, so you can add it to your skincare routine. I use it for itchy bug bites sometimes. Sometimes I use it on my face. There's lots of great uses for patchouli. Another one is rosemary, which is great for memory. It's great for hair growth. I will use it in the spray that I put on my hair when my hair is wet for hair growth. I'll also put it on the back of my neck or around my hairline, just kind of to support my brain memory. It's also, of course, rosemary is an herb, so you can use it for flavoring, that kind of thing too. So lavender lip balm. I love Young Living's lip balms. If you have not tried them, they're all amazing. The formula is great. It's not a petroleum product, so you're not putting chemicals on your lips to absorb. The lavender one is nice because you could use it as just like a itchy bug bite stick, or like on the go little like first aid stick. It's also great, of course, at night when you want a little bit of scent of lavender when you're going to sleep. So if you haven't tried the lip balms, they're amazing. And then lastly, we have our Sandalwood BOSWELLIA Firming Cream, which is brand new, and there is nothing else like it on the market. And it is for basically aging skin. So it's for hydration, it's for minimizing crepiness and wrinkles and saggy skin. So it improves the firmness of skin. Clinically, it's been shown to significantly increase skin hydration instantly, significantly decrease horizontal neck folds after 4 weeks, results in firmer and more supple skin on your arms after 8 weeks, and firmer skin and arms on your arms, neck, and décolletage after 8 weeks, and improves the skin smoothness on the neck after 8 weeks. So those are the clinical findings here. But why does it do this? And it's because it's plant-based, great ingredients, and they are the pancreas flower, or paracress flower, sorry, and Edelweiss cell culture, which visibly lift and firm to significantly reduce the appearance of lines and wrinkles and sagging. Sea fennel, which is a gentle, non-irritating retinol alternative that promotes smooth and radiant appearances of skin. We also have lots of great essential oils that are wonderful for skin. We have Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood, which is harvested from our Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood Reforestation Project in Hawaii. Lavender, frankincense, coriander, myrrh, rosemary, ylang-ylang, geranium, and bergamot. So of course it smells really good too. It also includes Swiss fermented grape extract and Peruvian carob, which have a visibly tightening effect on the skin after 30 minutes. And then shea butter and sodium hyaluronic to deliver deep hydration and promotes the look of smooth and supple skin. So you can apply it daily, morning and night, to any areas that you want to look just firmer and more supple and hydrated. So neck, décolletage, arms, hands. So our neck and our chest and our hands are what tends to age us first. So those often need a little extra love, and this is a great product to do that. So I love that Young Living is always innovating with their skincare products to give you things that, like, you want these ingredients on your skin, because anything that goes on your skin is going into your system. It's all being absorbed. So you want to be really careful about what goes on you, because it ends up in you. So love that all of their products are things that I want to go in as well. So that's it for this month. Just really quick, but wanted to share mainly this NingXia Nitro, or sorry, not the NingXia Nitro, that was great too, but the NingXia Reset Kit, because it's just such a great deal. So if you're already buying NingXia Red and you like the packets, go ahead and grab this kit. If you haven't tried NingXia Red and you want to see if it gives you any benefits to your sleep or your energy or anything else, just your overall health and just the filling in those nutritional gaps, and this is a great way to get started. So hope that's helpful. If you have any questions about anything, I'm always happy to chat. See you next time.